the third question is, what products would you recommend for someone who is transitioning? Okay, I remember at this stage, I wanted a product that would give my hair moisture, but at the same time, because my hair was relaxed, I didn't want anything that would sit on my relaxed hair and feel heavy. And that was quite challenging, because how am I meant to nourish my natural hair and not overcoat my relaxed hair at the same time? Like, it wasn't easy. So I found that I actually really liked products that didn't have water as the first ingredient, surprisingly. So they were like pink hair lotion, something that coated my hair, both textures, but didn't leave my relaxed ends feeling too weighed down. Now that's what worked for me personally. You might find that an oil might work for you best, or a leave-in conditioner, or a styling gel, or something else. But I'd say above everything, at this stage of beginning to transition, I would look for a leave-in conditioner that suits you. My personal favourite at the beginning of my hair journey was the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, because I felt like that nourished my hair without making it feel too weighed down. And yeah, it just worked for my hair type. But again, what works for me might not work for you. So it is really, really valuable to shop around and to read reviews, to follow people who share their experience with products, knowing that it might not work for you in the same way. Like, always bear that in mind. But it's really important to, yeah, shop around, look around, in order to search for what will work best for you. Yeah, it can be a lot of cash loss in the beginning, I'm not gonna lie. I bought a lot of products trying to find what worked for me. But when I did, wow, my hair responded great. My hair responded so well to it, and I didn't look